In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check gainers on CoinMarketCap. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started in the world of cryptocurrency, keeping track of the top gainers is crucial for making informed decisions. It helps you stay ahead of the curve by identifying which coins are currently performing well in the market. So let's dive right in and see how you can easily find this information. First things first, you'll want to navigate to CoinMarketCap's website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in coinmarketcap.com. Hit enter and you'll be directed to the homepage. CoinMarketCap is one of the most comprehensive and user-friendly platforms for crypto market data, offering you real-time pricing, charts, and market capitalization. Having it bookmarked won't hurt if you plan on checking it frequently. Once you've reached the homepage, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. This is where CoinMarketCap organizes its plethora of data into different, easily accessible sections. Look for the tab that says Cryptocurrencies. Hover your cursor over this tab to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Gainers and Losers. Go ahead and click on it. This section is your gateway into analyzing which cryptocurrencies are currently gaining significant momentum in the market. On the Gainers and Losers page, you'll see the top performing cryptocurrencies listed right there for you. The list is typically organized to show you the highest percentage gainers over a particular time frame. The default setting generally shows you the gainers over the last 24 hours, but you may have options to view different time frames if you explore further. This can be particularly useful if you're interested in shorter or longer trends. Please note that the list may mean different things to different investors. Being a gainer today doesn't necessarily mean a cryptocurrency will continue its upward trajectory. It's always important to dig deeper into why a cryptocurrency is gaining. It could be due to a variety of factors such as news releases, technological advancements, or wider industry trends. Taking the time to understand these reasons can significantly enhance your investment strategy. If you're further interested, CoinMarketCap provides additional data like trading volume and market cap, which you can use to complement your analysis. This data helps you understand how significant the gains are in terms of actual market activity. You can sort the gainers by different metrics to get a clearer picture. In summary, checking gainers on CoinMarketCap is a straightforward process that provides valuable insights into the current state of the cryptocurrency market. Whether you're actively trading or simply keeping an eye on market trends, it's a tool that can significantly enhance your understanding of market dynamics. Remember, always be diligent and do your own research before making investment decisions.